Oo.
Kala niya raw kaya. Bakit daw ulitin? Tuloy siya mapag-training ngayon. May training sila. Just plain baby wipe. It's dirty.
Saan banda?
Yung, nagulat ako bigla tumalon eh. Hindi ko man lang siya nahawa kasi bigla ginawa.
Parang talan yan.
Parang alam mo yung magluluksong baka?
Kasi tumama ulo niya.
Ayaw nga eh. Dapat talaga siyang ganun yan. Naipukin niya ito. Ano yung ginawa sa baby? Ano ba nag-aasal?
Oo.
Ang iyak ko
Parang
lang.
sumulakan ba? Ito lagyan mo na ito. Huwag na ito ng baby.
Hindi nga, mas matatapa siya eh. Ay, sige.
Gumawa ka na eh. Gumawa. Dito siya na.
Dali na, let's go.
Okay, so you need to be strong, ha? Next time, look at me. Look at daddy. You need to be strong because it's very dangerous to it. Hindi na pakita mo, tetak pa nga eh.
Paano ko totoo? Paano ko nahili ko?
Look at daddy. It's very hard to do something.
It's okay.
You need to be strong.
It'll be okay. It'll be okay. It'll be okay.
What did I tell you?
It'll be okay. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. So no more germs. So no more germs. So no more
Okay.
germs.
Yeah.
It's okay. Just few seconds. Okay na. Good na. Tayo ka man.
Inhale, exhale.
Okay, just few seconds and then better na.
Tama na. Dalawa? Dalawa ba?
Ay, sakay na no? Only one time. Only one time. Only one time. Sorry.
Okay now.
Yeah, but you need that. You need that.
Water.
I'll go get my tablet. Go play na sa you will forget the pain.
Where's Jamaica?
Andun pa po.
Drink na. Drink na. You need to drink.
Mahina, kahina. Pag nasa ibang labas na kami, parang naman.
It's okay. You're strong. Because if not put alcohol,